Tenny Makanaki, Askamaya, Soundcity Radio 96.5. Good morning. What's up, PH? My name is IMA. It's time for us to save some cash.
Heard about working for your cash? How about letting your cash work for you? Find out how right here.
We'll let you know how big little cash can be for you. Balling on a budget.
Get creative and use whatever is around you. Tip for today. If there's something you're good at and you can use it as a service like doing eyebrows, doing nails or styling hair or anything, use it to make some cash. But hey, if you lack talent, which is totally okay, try to find other ways to provide other services. Maybe you could provide laundry service in your building or try to tutor for money. Look, any creative idea that could get you some extra cheddar and is not illegal can help you to pocket a little extra cash and stay balling on that budget. Is the zik. Kodak Black, Travis Scott, Offset. I love this song.